You good, T-minus? Been counting me out, I'm counting my bullets, I'm loading my clips, I'm writing down names, I'm making a list, I'm checking it twice and I'm getting them hit. The real ones been dying, the fake ones is lit, the game is off balance, I'm back on my the Bentley is dirty, my sneakers is dirty, but that's how I like it, you all on my I'm all in my bag, as hard as it get. I do not snort powder, I might take a sip. I might hit the blunt, but I'm liable to trip. I ain't popping no pill, but you do as you wish. I roll with some fiends, I love them to death. I got a few mil, but not all of them rich. What good is the bread if my is broke? What good is first class if my can't sit? That's my next mission, that's why I can't quit. Just like LeBron, get my more chips. Just put the rollie right back on my wrist. This watch came from Drizzy, he gave me a gift. Back when the rap game was praying like this. To act like two legends cannot go.
Keep yourselves ready to roll tonight. This week's captain, he's been with me for a long time. He's a dude, man. He's a very special player. He makes plays everywhere, offense, defense, special teams. He's a dude, man. Bryce Barnes, get up there.
They change the play. When the ball goes, the line's got to go back. You've got to be aggressive with them. You should know if it's a run or a pass. When they're double tight 2x4 and it's motion, they run it every time. Turbosh will take care of the pass. So what I don't want is they're running in the B hole, and the ends, the linebacker and corner are all sitting out the edge. If we have to, we'll start crashing everybody down. We're fast enough. The kids are kind of slow.
But I never beef with it for nothing. If I smoke a rapper, it's gonna be legit. It won't be for clout, it won't be for fame. It won't be cause my ain't selling the same. It won't be to sell you my latest new sneakers. It won't be cause some split in my lane. Everything grows, it's destined to change. I love you, look. I'm glad that you came. I hope that you scrape every dollar you can. I hope you know money won't erase the pain. To the OGs, I'm thanking you now. Was watching you when you was paving the ground. I copied your cadence, I mirrored your style. I studied the greats, I'm the greatest right now. If you feel me, you ain't got a choice. I ain't do no promo, still made all that noise. This gon' be different, I set my intentions. I promise to slap all that hate out your voice. Counting me out, I'm counting my bullets, I'm loading my clips, I'm writing down names, I'm making a list, I'm checking it twice and I'm getting them hit. The real ones been dying, the fake ones is lit, the game is off balance, I'm back on my shit. The Bentley is dirty, my sneakers is dirty, but that's how I like it, you all on my I just poured something in my cup. I've been wanting something I can feel. Promise I am never letting up. Money in your pocket.
You're a cleaner. We talked about it, right? What's a cleaner, guys? You get your job done, you don't make excuses, does it? Alright, let me tell you something real quick. I've been doing this for 26 seasons. If you just rely on your athleticism in life, you're going to be really disappointed. You understand me? The reason why I tell you that is because life's bigger than what you can do individually. You understand me?
Let's go!
It takes a unity and a team to get stuff done. What's the ultimate goal? Forward field, right guys? Lakers is in the way, you understand me?
Let's go!
Take care of business. Opportunity. You might only get one or two in your numbers, but make it count. You got me?
Let's go!
Make it count, guys. This is it. This is it right here. You understand me?
Let's go!
We get one shot at these guys, buddy. You get the outright conference championship. You understand?
Let's go!
All the work we had for 2 weeks, I'm running. I'm chomping at the bit. Are you guys?
Let's go!
Don't come out flat. Do not come out flat. Set the tone right from the get-go. And get after these guys. You understand me?
Let's go!
These leaders, don't make excuses. Alright? Don't make excuses. Don't be that guy that has an excuse. Just get the results. Put yourself out there. Alright? You understand?
Let's go!
Here we go. Bring it up. Let's go. Here we go. Let's go.
This game's all about him. This is my favorite time of year. I hope that you guys love the game. Have fun. Good luck to both teams. Let's have a great game. Good luck.
Please give me the attitude I'm begging for. On trap, knock them on their ass. If I'm not cheering for you. Punch them in the mouth. Here we go. Step in the left. Step in the left on one-on-one. Down. And go. Down. And go. Down. Left shoulder first. Here we go. Here we go. Left shoulder. Cut hit. Cut hit. Cut hit. Cut hit. Cut hit. Here we go. Switch it up. Switch it up. Switch it up. Here we go. Make them real. Make them loud. Cut hit. Cut hit. That's it. One more. Good one. Set it. Here we go. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Get a break. Violence on three. 1, 2, 3. Violence. Everybody get in here. Right there. Violence.
I used to break at times like this, to rhyme like this, so I had to grind like that, to shine like this. In a matter of time I spent, as I'm locked up in the back of the paddy wagon, cuz locked on wrist. See my dreams unfold, nightmares come true. It was time to marry the game, and I say, yeah, I do. I ain't cool, I can do that, boo. What you want, some shoes? Jimmy Choo, what a hand they do. Ran up, baby blue, she gives a smile. She ain't used to this, she ain't used to this. I'm just laughing, could've been a pimp, the way I move my lips. I can speed, could've been a drive, the way I push the whip. You could've been the way you throw a fit. Right back to the script, cause this a major league. He got bricks, plus his neck and icy, and it matches right back, it's like this. So the hit is fall, me in the whip, but he ain't go. But he ain't that slow, take me to match the I'm like, cool, let him bring his move, do what he gon' do, cause this a plot. Put him in the pot, let it cook like so I grab my block. Ain't been through a lot, but it's this you like knew we at the top. Yeah, we lost a lot, but that's just how it go. But check the scope. If y'all lose one more, that's 6 to 24. Let me focus, can't be zoning out. He rolling up now, he double pop. He ain't getting out, he in that push spot. That new push is good.
Yes, please.
Bro, I can't.
Good. Ball! Get him. Your way, grab it. Other way. Get boy! Get boy! Stop it! Hey! Boss! Boss! Fire! Right now, let's go! Right now!
And then some diamonds are going in the cave. Oh, it's fake. Oh, Jordan Crush. Oh my god. Oh
Field side! Bad behavior builds character.
You right?
Makes you be able to keep playing for a little bit longer. Go, go, go! Turn it on! Turn it on! Hey, turn it on, Bob! Turn it on!
The extra point attempt by Lane Jones is good. 1:05 left to play in the.
Let's go. Let's go. Yes. Yes.
There you go. Ball! Ball!
Yeah, Chase. Go, Chase.
Fumble on the play, recovered by the Cardinals. Jordan Whitney. Short turnover into the end zone. Millington Cardinal touchdown.
Good.
Lane Jones' extra point attempt is good. 7:11 left to play in the first half. That brings the score to Millington 14.
Let's go. Come on. Yeah. Yeah. Good job, Bruce. There we go. Good job, Logan. Good job, Logan. Good job. Pass. Yeah. He took that straight to the lower back. Dude. The ball. Crack. Pass. Get him. Boot. He's got to be holding, brother. Damn it.
Pass! Yeah. I see you over here. Stay home, Dallas! Stay home for 7! Chuck, you gotta help out!
No, actually, my dad actually Oh my God!
Dang.
Look, this is DC. That's DC right, Blast.
extra point attempt is good.
Get you one, Woody. Oh my God. Take it all the way.
Now it's rolled into the end zone for the Millington Cardinal touchdown. Extra point attempt by Lane Jones is good.
Here it is, Krieger! Coming back! There you go! There you go, Brevin! Nice! Watch the ball! Coming back! Come here, Brevin! Same play! Same play, Boston! Same play right there! Get on him! Get him, Chase! There you go, good. Stay back! Stay back! Stay back! You ain't gonna stop it, Chase! Stay wide! Stay home! Watch forward! Fire!
Yeah, it's kind of funny.
Run it! Run it! Get a block! Get a block! Get a block! Get it, Go back out of the backfield! Yes!
That's behind that ref. It's
You got screen that way. All right.
Now we won't take the ball.
quick swap. Watch 4. Nice. Was that 4, Bill?
Stop, Sean. Pushing the back. Pushing the back. Pushing the back.
Watch out.
Let it go up. Let up. Let up. Let up. Oh.
I don't want to watch flag, no?
No, this is flag show.
Oh my gosh. I can understand, but let us play.
Oh, go, Jordan.
Good run, Jordan! Spinning. Oh my god, dude. I love that. It was so bad. And then you fucking teach him. Bro, some butters to do it.
Nice ball game where the final score is Millington 28. Future events. Cardinal will host Swing Softball Academy next Friday night. Hope to see you all back here. Please run carefully that way home and everybody there.
I can't run. Oh! Hey, give me my shoulder. You're out too late for the party. Get it going, boy! Chop, chop, let's go, let's go! Go, baby! Get down! Hey, first of all, congratulations on a big foam white championship, guys. Way to go, man. Let's go. Here's how you know you're on a good program and you're on a good team. You know how you know? When you're disappointed with a 28-0 win for a league championship against a good team. Defense, my hat's off to you guys. You guys rocked tonight on defense. Hell of a job, man. Very physical, upbeat. Hey, you could tell we didn't have a game last week, but you overcame it. Guys, we're going to face adversity. One of our dudes went down right away, man. What did we do? We just kept battling and doing our thing, man. Good job. This is what it feels. It's a weird. You just shut a team out, and you still feel like you didn't play. Guys, you're conference champs. We've got certain goals. The first goal, league champs. Check mark. Okay? Next goal, undefeated. The 2 games from that, hopefully we'll get a check mark. Then it's the playoffs. Then it's for real. Just keep battling. Keep battling. You got to come ready to go. Come ready to go Monday. All right? Yes. Sunday's off. We'll go right after school on Monday. Right after school on Monday with the awards. Get out here and we're going to rock. You understand me? Let's go. Guys, you make mistakes. Don't beat yourself up. We still won the game 28-0. Defense, my hat's off to you, man. You guys rocked it out. Coach Jantine?
I got a film. I'll share it with you right after this. I don't have a lot of film. I'm just going to be honest. I have the Flint versus Flint Hammoney game. And so you can watch that. They're in spread. And then when we trade, I'll share it with you guys. So try to watch a little bit. I'll try to tag it. I'll make sure it's shared now.
Coach, anybody else? Shilling, you got anything?
Well, I mean, hey, it wasn't our best game, but it's a great opportunity to get better, guys. Just get better. I think everyone's got a gut check down here. You understand me? We do. I do. All of us. Let's just clean some things up. Enjoy the championship, though, all right? You earned it. All right? Even the ugly ones count, all right?
Yeah.
Even the ugly ones count.
That does not apply to women.
Hey, that's the dog. Whoa. Yes, it's dog.
Guys, Henderson struck out his whole life.
Hey, listen. Okay. Guess what? You're going to wake up tomorrow, conference champs, all to yourself. So that's a good feeling. Get a breakdown. Great job tonight, guys.
Good work, boys. I might not wake up till Sunday. I'm actually done with it. Actually, I'll have to wait.
3. 1, 2, 3.
Show niggas, certified boogeyman, I'm gonna run it up the score with him. Walking down whole time, I know he got some hold on him. Extort shit, put it there for him. Say straight back, I hate you like I'm young. You better hold it, probably a minor. They not like us, they not like us, they not like us. They not like us, they not like us, they not like us. You think the paper let you disrespect come nigga? I think that open show will be on that stock nigga. They cold foul, I don't know why you still pretending. What is the high road? You can say early, it's so sweet, but that's for bitch. Get out of this way! Get out of this way! Since 2009, I had this bitch jumping. Niggas not the best. We feel like they lost. I hope you know that. That's your option. Pussy, that's straight in touch. My face out of your couch. I got this way down. They got off way high. Fuck that shit, won't action. No accident, I'm hands on. We fuck around, get polished. Fuck no rain girl like he's in jail. That's conniving. And his face tatted like a bitch apologizing. I'm glad you know came home. Y'all they deserve me neither. From a hundred down, I sent you nigga that got me no subpoena. You holding me subpoena. That kind of move is up. Are you watching that before they got it? Still that same, but in the form of story. Mine's 40, niggas 40, can't control it. I'm doing fine, got that bag, I'm transport. I got that bag with me, but I'm transport. Trying to mistake, I don't want to repost it. I ain't posting mistake, man. Shorty, I be booting till the morning, PM till the morning. I'm the water, want it back, you know what I'm rolling. Hold up, don't you owe me that, you owe me doing. Like mama, I made you 6 feet. She said she missed me, then she wanna kiss me. Damn, I'm so crispy, saying I made it see. Trouble, I ain't shot, I'm feeling easy. I was getting bit, yeah, that fits me. For the lick,